This is Kritika Bhattarai and this is my video presentation for my Advanced Software Engineering Component 2. So as you can see, I've already filled the necessary details such as my email, surname, first name, student ID and my tutor group. And now I've also said yes to some of the clauses that are present here. And yes, I have used the latest Boost version, that is 1.1. And now moving on to version control, my GitHub username. So as you can see, my GitHub username is Kritika B, and link to my repo that must be in ASC GitHub Classroom. So this is my repo that is in the ASC GitHub Classroom, and here's the link. So documentation link. So for documentation, I've created a new repository and have generated and deployed a doc site which has my documentation. So this is the link for my documentation site. Total number of commits by deadline. So I have 72 number of commits, 72 commits, and at least 5 more. Yes, updated readme. So yes. And I guess I have updated my readme. Here my name, my group, my tutor's name, and I've also done the things that were set for us to do. Now moving on to interfaces. So yes, interfaces to be used where appropriate. Yes, interface has been used in my code. So as you can see in the app canvas class, I have used iCanvas, which is an interface. So it basically has iCanvas has basically it gives us a functionality to draw on the canvas, such as with drawing functions or drawing methods like circle, rectangle, triangle, and also helps us to use move to, draw to, and such. And now interfaces. Yes, so unit tests. So unit tests for all of my classes. Yes, so I have done unit tests for all of my classes. So as you can see, here my unit test. This is for my app canvas. This is for the component 1. It has all the tests that are required in the component 1. And for component 2, I've created different class for different test classes for different classes. So and unit test. So yes, there are XML comments present in my unit test class too. So as you can see here, so for further proof, I'll show you another. So yes, here's another two. Unit test pass and run, show them running. So now let me run the unit tests. So I have 31 tests, and yes, 31 of them are running and they have all passed. So now design patterns, factory design patterns. So yes, factory design pattern is used in my code, and it is used in the command factory app class. And as you can see, this command factory it uses factory design pattern. So as you can see here, so what it basically does is, based on the input command type, it returns the iCommand implementation. So yes, factory design pattern is used. And additional design pattern, yes, additional design pattern is used in my program. So here in stored program app, so it uses a command design pattern. So where the commands are encapsulated as object, and it implements iCommand interface. So yes, I have used an additional design pattern. So what are the design patterns called? So it is called command design pattern. So now implementation details. Yes, so for my Boost implementation, let me run the code. So and yes, as you can see here is the Boost implementation, Boost, about Boost, that has been run, and Boost, and the version is 1.1, and the .NET DDL compiled is on version 8 and version 1.1. So now variables replaced in class, show it running. So int class 1 unrestricted int. So let me copy the code and clear the canvas and run it here. So yes, it does work. And as for my code, so here is the int tab code. So what it basically does is it inherits from the booz int class, and tries to reduce or remove any restrictions that is here, and implements the int code. So that's what the class does, int class does. So now here's the link to the image file. So here is the image file, and let me copy and paste the now replace real class. Yes, so replace real class is replaced. So now let me copy the code, clear the canvas, paste it, and run it. So yes, it does work. And as for my code, here's the code, and it does the same thing. So and then paste the link to the image file in your repo, real png. Okay, so here's the link to the image file in my repo. So replaced array class, show it running and show your code. So replaced array class, here's the code. So let me copy it, clear the canvas, paste it, and run it. So yes, it does work. And array, here's the code for my array class. So it does the same thing as the int class. Now paste the link to your image. So here's the image, and let me copy and paste it. Okay. So if, while, and for. While's working unrestricted, show it running. Booz example 3 ifs and put okay. So for while loop 2, let me copy, clear, and paste the code. So yes, it does work. And here's the code. So it also does the same thing as the int class, and it also has the same function, same code as the int class. And now paste the link to the image file in your repo. Okay, so here's the image, and let me copy it and paste it. So for is working unrestricted, show it running. So now for unrestricted force. So let me copy the code and clear the canvas and paste it, run. So yes, it does work, and the code is here, and it is basically all of them have the same type of code. It inherits from the booz DDL and booz class, and then tries to remove the imposed restrictions, and then it overrides the restrictions from the booz method and work and implement their code. So it's basically all, they have the same type of code. So now yes, so paste the link to the image file. So for's the image for the for, and if working unrestricted, show it running. So let me copy the code, clear the canvas, paste it, and run. So yes, it does work, and so the code is also similar to the so now paste the link to the image file. So here's the link to my image file, and yes, so else is working. So else is included in the if. So as you can see here, so yes, else is also working. And I think it's the same png file for else. Okay, and And now replace method class. So for replace method class, we have our code here. Let me copy it and clear, paste it and run it. So yes, it does work. And yes, so paste the link to the image file in your repo. So use the image file, command C, command V. Okay, and have you done anything that is additional and substantial? There is no. So yes, I have done additional things, so such as you can see here, clear. So when I click the clear, it clears both the output windows. And I have also done load command, save command, load canvas, and save canvas. So load command, it loads the command. So command's loaded successfully, and now I can run it and it works. So now save canvas. So it saves the canvas. So let me save it saying unrestricted. So yes, it saves the canvas saves successfully. And now let me load the canvas here, unrestricted, open. So yes, it loads loads command, save command. Now let me save the command. Okay, so let me call it restricted this time and save it. So command saved successfully. So and if I check it, so yes, there it loads commands, save commands, load canvas, and save canvas. So now let me clear the canvas. So load commands, save commands, load canvas, save canvas, and exit also, and clear. So you can see here, if I place this exit, it will exit the automatically. Now facilities used, AI used, none, and libraries used, none, none. Any other comments? None. So I now understand that I must upload my code to MyBicket and on deadline. So yes, I do understand that. So thank you for staying here with me, and so thank you.